stall your poi, wrap them up underhand. You go into the buzzsaw, and then from here, we're gonna take the left one, come up over the top, take the right one, come up over the top, and now we turned in that buzzsaw. Now we're gonna come across the bottom with the left, away from me, so you won't be able to see me, then across the bottom with the right, and away from me, and you'll come back to underhand. So watch it once if you're not familiar with it. I'm coming up and over, and then up and over, and then down and across, and down and across. So you're here in underhand, and we'll go up and over with the left, then up and over with the right, and then you're in overhand on this side, and then we're gonna come down and across with the left, then down and across with the right. And that's doing the left hand turn. Let's just do a little drill on that one to help you get a little more confident with it. The left one's here like this, just the left hand. So we'll take the left hand, put your right foot forward. We're using that same paddle step we always use. Come up and over, step right, come down and across, step right again. You're doing this where you're like that. I want you to do it one motion and an extension. One motion and an extension. One motion. So it's just a buzzsaw, extension, buzzsaw, extension, buzzsaw, extension. Okay, but come to horizontal. Like you did this, you went to like here. I want you to go from 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock. From 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock to 9, 9 to 3. 3 to 9, and 9 to 3. We're underhand on this side in the buzzsaw. I think your right hand will follow if your left hand is leading. So here's what we'll do. We'll go over the top, and you can start in that T stance if it's helping you. Right foot's forward, left is back. The left goes over the top, and then the right goes over the top. And now you're in overhand buzzsaw on this side. And then the left will go in one motion across the bottom, and then the right will go in one motion across the bottom. And the left will go across the top, and the right will go across the top, and the left will go across the bottom, and the right will go across the bottom. And one more set all the way around, left over the top, right over the top, and then left across the bottom, and right across the bottom. And then you're back into underhand on what I'm calling your east wall. Now we're gonna turn to the right. So this time you'll turn away from me first. It'll be a right turn over the top first, and then a left turn over the top so that you get into overhand on the other side. And then you'll go right across the bottom, left across the bottom, and you're an underhand back where you started. So right up and over, left up and over, turning, right down and across, left down and across, and you're back where you started. Third set, right up and over, left up and over, and right down and across, left down and across. And last set here, right up and over, left up and over, right down and across, left down and across, and then open it up, come into underhand weave again, and then we're gonna fountain again. So we'll go to the left into overhand, and to the right into underhand, and to the left and overhand, to the right and underhand, to the left and overhand, to the right and underhand, last time left and overhand, and then right and underhand. Now we're gonna go from here, we're gonna do a big extension in the weave, left arm, then right arm, then overhand, and come low across the bottom. Then left up, right up, low across the bottom. Left up, right up, low across the bottom. Left up, right up, low across the bottom. And now just keep it in the weave, but as you're going across, go up from underhand to overhand and down from overhand to underhand. Up and down, cross, up, cross, down, cross, up, cross, down, cross. And now you're back in underhand over here. Open it up, stall your right poi, stall your left poi, stall your right poi through your legs behind, stall your left poi through the legs behind, and you're back to underhand. Stall your right poi from behind in the back, stall your left poi from behind in the back, stall your right poi from the front through the legs, stall your left poi through the legs in the front. And then we'll repeat that. So we're in underhand again. So when I say stall from the back, I wasn't clear. I should have said under the leg from behind like this, and under the leg from behind like this, and then from the front, so that you can do the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire crotch, baby. You know how people like it. Okay, and then we'll come out and underhand again on this side. Then stall your left poi, and then let's do that flower in anti-spin first. So the left will go forward, right will go back. We'll go 4 flowers, 3 flowers, 2 flowers. Do anti-spin again. So front, top, or sides, sorry. Sides, top, sides, bottom, second time, sides, top, sides, third time, sides, top, sides, and last time sides, top, sides. Come down to the bottom, and now we'll do in spin. Left goes back, right goes front, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, and then last flower, sides, top, sides, bottom. And check your poi, make sure your left is overhand, right is underhand, and then we're going to do a butterfly turnaround 360. So you're going to get back to here, you'll turn left, come around again, back to here, then go 2 more positions so you end up facing your west wall.